Hi everybody, a surprise video on Norm Discovers Great Lake Shipping Series. Here we are at the Welland Canal where it meets Lake Erie. And we've got a different one tonight. We got the CSL Laurentian being pulled by a tugboat. Now that boat was docked on the side there on the east side of the canal where they load and unload. And tonight, most people said they've never seen anything like this before. You got about a 700-foot freighter being pulled by a tugboat. Today's Friday, July 24th, about 7 o'clock at night. Right now we're facing north. In the distance you can see Bridge 21, Clarence Street on the Welland Canal. The tugboat is the VAC. It's a McKeel Marine tugboat brought in from Nanticoke. You might be able to see the markings on it when it goes by, but look at this. How much power does that tugboat have? My goodness, look at that. I'm going to see if I can straighten out this camera a bit. So a little blur. It took a while for that tugboat to get that boat off the dock, it was sitting on the side there along the canal. Never know what you'll see along here. West Street, Port Colborne, Ontario, Canada. The ship rope it's using is the one they used to tie it up when it's along the canal. So I've never seen it under that much strain before. Let's hope it doesn't break. Sorry about the camera jotting around. I'm trying to keep it level here. On the hood of the vehicle, right at the edge of the canal. We're about 5-6 feet from the canal. And what a view of this getting towed. My goodness, who would have thought this would come up? Yeah, we moved the camera now. It's going to look a little different. Look at the work that tugboat's doing. My goodness. talked to a couple older folks that have been around Port Colborne a long time. They said they've never seen anything like this. I think we are lucky tonight we caught this on video. This is Norm Discovers. Make sure if you like videos like this, when they're surprise videos, that you subscribe to the channel. And we're in Port Colborne, Ontario. Now we're facing Lake Erie, and that boat is being towed out to Lake Erie. This is an amazing thing to see tonight, folks. If you like shipping, and if you like seeing some interesting things, here we go. I've seen ships back up out of the canal on their own power to Lake Erie, but I have never seen one towed. Well, everybody, there you go. Another exciting video on Norm Discovers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you want to see more ship videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Norm Discovers, and this is the Great Lake Shipping Series. There goes the Laurentian. All right, folks, you have a great night and wait for the next video. Thank you.